This is my larger Lennox XC25 post motor, I guess, replacement. It was done by service experts. As you can see, it's got a 3-bladed fan installed with some crazy looking fan shape. There's 3 of those blades. And here, let's just walk around. So it's one of those, really expensive. This is not the fan assembly that was originally in it. So here you can kind of take a look at what's going on here. Apparently it's called a 5SME3SHLHE488, made by, I think, a company called Gentech. And it says, well, you can kind of see what it says. This is my other XC25, which has been bulletproof since day one. Smaller unit, but here's the fancy fan that it came with. That has all these balancing clips on it, and there's 5 blades, and when it's on, it's super quiet. So my problem is that fan assembly, well, one that looked almost exactly like that 5-bladed fan assembly, used to be in here. I'm certain that 5-bladed fan assembly has a certain acoustic property, power draw, and all of that stuff that help make it extremely efficient, which is what the XC25 is known for. So I'm going to turn the smaller unit on to show you what it sounds like, and then I'll turn this thing on to show you what it sounds like. And I am 100% certain that this motor with those fan blades is much, much louder than it was originally, and I can currently hear this assembly in my master bathroom and in my son's room when it's operating. And the reason why I bought these is because you couldn't hear them whenever they were on. So alright, time for the next videos.